beautiful people, another beautiful day in Zamunda. Please believe it, man. Welcome back to the channel. So check this out. As the new year rolled in, a few of my friends wanted to transition into a plant-based diet. So I've been sending them recipes. I've been sending them grocery lists. I've been sending them all kind of snacks and all kind of different stuff, man. It's been a crazy little journey, but for the most part, they've been doing well. Now, the only thing they really been complaining about are the plant-based sweet snacks.
Man, it's got too many nuts in it. Man, this is dry. I don't like this. This don't taste good. Man, it's got soy in it. They said soy wasn't no good.
Man, so I get it. I'm not a big fan of all the soy products, but I do understand some of the plant-based sweet snacks can be full of nuts, and they also can be dry sometimes. But there are a lot of sweet snacks out there that are plant-based that taste amazing. So I told them I'm gonna send them some more recipes, but this time, instead of just sending them recipes, I told them I'm making a video because I understand there are other people in the world that also want to transition over, and they might be having this same problem, this same situation, really not into the plant-based sweet snacks. And I know sometimes when you're coming from the standard American diet, you know what I'm saying? You're used to the butters and the sugars and all the things they put into those cakes and the pies to make them taste the way they do, to make us be addicted to them, you know what I'm saying? They taste amazing, like I totally get it. But I'm telling you, once you transition all the way over, when you start adding more greens into your diet, getting more of that chlorophyll into your diet, your taste buds will change. I promise they will. And you can eat something like an apple and it will taste so sweet. You can have strawberries, bananas, or whatever, and it's gonna taste so sweet to you. And the reason some of these things don't taste as sweet is because those taste buds are still not where they need to be. But you have to continue to keep going down this path for a while, and I promise you, you know me, I'm a big faster, but I ain't gonna go deep into that. I love fasting, and I truly believe that fasting is the way if you really want to get those taste buds to transition or change over. But I know that I'm dealing with people that are in their beginning stages, so we gotta take it easy, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go slow. We gotta build up to the chlorophyll and having all of these green juices. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get them used to just trying out more plant-based foods. So they've been having an issue with the snacks, the sweet snacks. They're missing their sweets. So to me, there's nothing like some amazing fruit. Pineapples, you can do so much with pineapples and bananas and strawberries. Man, you could take some bananas and freeze them and make some amazing ice cream. And maybe I'll make that one day, but that's not what I'm making today. But I told them I'm gonna make another sweet snack for you guys or show you how to make another sweet snack. But this time I'm making a video because I know there are other people that are probably dealing with the same issue, transitioning over to a plant-based world, and you're like, man, some of these sweets, that's not it, but I need something sweet. You feel like you just need something sweet, right? So I'm gonna give you an amazing snack that you can make, 5 ingredients at the most, easy to make, and I promise this snack is going to definitely satisfy that sweet tooth that you have until we get you to that next level, okay? So let's go over to the kitchen and we're gonna work on making this 5 ingredients, easy to make, sweet, plant-based, raw foods snack. Let's go. Okay, so the ingredients are very simple. Dates, strawberries, bananas, and coconut water. That's all you need. Very simple. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the ends of the strawberries off. Definitely don't want that part. And then after that, we're gonna take our bananas and we're gonna do the same thing. Slice them up, nice and easy. Then after that, we're gonna take them and place them on the plate. Like I said, this is a simple, easy recipe. And as you can tell, I'm not a chef, So this doesn't have to look perfect. Just place it on the plate any way you like. But fellas, if you're trying to impress your girl, you might want to try to make it look nice and neat. All right, so next, we're gonna take our dates and we're gonna take the pits out. You can buy pitted dates, but I buy the dates with the pits in them. And we take the dates and we put them into the blender. And next we crack our young Thai coconut. Be careful with this. Don't try this at home. It's kind of dangerous. Then we pour a little bit of the coconut water in with the dates. And we just blend it up. Then we add a little cinnamon. Put a little cinnamon on my fruits as well. I just like cinnamon. And then after that, we drizzle on our date sauce like so. And voila, there you have it. A late night snack that's sweet but still healthy. All right, have a good one. Enjoy.